Imagine a world where you can explore the depths of the ocean, navigating through uncharted territories and discovering marine life that has never been seen before. Picture yourself repairing a satellite in space, ensuring that our communication networks remain intact and operational, all while floating in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Or envision performing a delicate surgery on a patient miles away, using advanced robotic arms that mimic your every move with precision, all from the comfort of a control room. This is the promise of telerobotics, a field that is rapidly changing our relationship with distance and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's a technological revolution that is transforming how we interact with the world around us. We've all seen robots in movies. They capture our imagination with their futuristic capabilities and often human-like qualities. But telerobotics takes this a step further. It's not just about robots working autonomously, performing tasks on their own without human intervention. It's about humans and robots working together, leveraging each other's strengths to accomplish incredible things. This partnership allows for a synergy that neither humans nor robots could achieve alone. This collaboration allows us to reach places we never could before and perform tasks with unprecedented precision and safety. Imagine the possibilities when human intuition and robotic precision come together. From exploring dangerous environments such as deep-sea trenches and active volcanoes to providing remote medical care in war zones or disaster-stricken areas, telerobotics is revolutionizing numerous fields. It's allowing us to work smarter, not harder, and opening up a world of possibilities previously confined to the realm of science fiction. Tasks that were once deemed impossible or too dangerous are now within our reach. So buckle up and get ready to explore the fascinating world of telerobotics, where distance is no longer a barrier to human ingenuity. This technology is not just a tool, it's an extension of our capabilities, allowing us to transcend physical limitations. This is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, telerobotics will undoubtedly play an increasingly important role in shaping our future. The advancements we see today are merely the foundation for what is to come. Imagine a future where remote surgeries are commonplace, where underwater exploration is as routine as a walk in the park, and where space repairs are conducted with the same ease as fixing a car on Earth. The potential is limitless, and the journey has only just begun. As we look ahead, the integration of telerobotics into our daily lives will become more seamless. Smart cities will utilize telerobotic systems for maintenance and emergency response, industries will adopt these technologies for more efficient production, and education will be transformed with remote learning experiences that are more interactive and engaging than ever before. The applications of telerobotics are as diverse as they are exciting. From agriculture to healthcare, from space exploration to entertainment, the impact of this technology will be felt across all sectors. It's an exciting time to be alive as we stand on the brink of a new era where the only limit is our imagination. So, let's embrace this new era of remote control, where the fusion of human creativity and robotic precision will lead us to new heights. The future is here, and it's more thrilling than we ever imagined. What exactly are telerobots? This question might seem straight out of a science fiction novel, but telerobots are very much a part of our present reality. Simply put, they are robots that we can control remotely. These machines are designed to act as our proxies in environments that are either too far away or too dangerous for us to physically be in. Imagine a sophisticated puppet, but instead of strings, we use electronics, sensors, and communication networks. These components work together seamlessly to create a system that can mimic human actions with remarkable precision. These robots act as our extensions in distant or hazardous environments, allowing us to see, hear, feel, and interact with the world as if we were physically present. Whether it's exploring the depths of the ocean, navigating through a disaster zone, or even conducting delicate surgeries, telerobots make it possible. Here's how they work. The human operator uses a control interface, which can be as simple as a joystick or as complex as a full-body suit with haptic feedback. This interface is the bridge between the human and the machine, translating human intentions into robotic actions. This interface allows the operator to send commands to the robot. These commands travel through communication channels, which can be wired or wireless, to reach the robot in its remote location. The robot, equipped with sensors and cameras, collects information about its surroundings and sends it back to the operator. This sensory data includes visual, auditory, and sometimes even tactile information, providing a comprehensive understanding of the remote environment. This continuous feedback loop is what makes telerobotics so powerful. The real-time exchange of information ensures that the operator can make immediate adjustments, enhancing the precision and effectiveness of the robot's actions. It allows for real-time interaction and control, enabling operators to perform delicate tasks with accuracy and finesse. From assembling intricate machinery to performing life-saving medical procedures, the applications are vast and varied. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination and the pace of technological advancement. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the capabilities of telerobots, opening up new frontiers and opportunities. In the next sections, we'll delve deeper into the exciting applications of telerobotics and see how they are transforming various industries. From healthcare to space exploration, from manufacturing to disaster response, telerobots are revolutionizing the way we interact with the world. Imagine a world where geography is no longer a barrier to receiving specialized medical care. Telerobotics is making this vision a reality. Surgeons can now operate on patients in remote locations using robotic arms controlled from miles away. These robotic systems provide surgeons with enhanced dexterity and precision, allowing them to perform minimally invasive procedures with greater accuracy. Patients in underserved areas can now access world-class surgical expertise without having to travel long distances. Telerobotics is also revolutionizing patient care beyond the operating room. Robots are being used to monitor vital signs, deliver medication, and even provide physical therapy. This frees up healthcare professionals to focus on more complex tasks while ensuring patients receive timely and personalized care. The use of telerobotics in healthcare is improving patient outcomes, increasing access to care, and transforming the way we think about healthcare delivery. Section 4, Building the Future. Telerobots and Industry. From manufacturing to construction, telerobotics is transforming the way we build and create. In industries where precision and safety are paramount, telerobots are proving to be invaluable assets. Manufacturing plants are increasingly using telerobots for tasks that require high precision and repetitive movements. These robots can work tirelessly for long hours without fatigue, improving efficiency and reducing errors. They can also handle hazardous materials and work in environments that would be dangerous for humans. In the construction industry, telerobots are being used for tasks such as welding, demolition, and even bricklaying. These robots can work at heights and in confined spaces, reducing the risk of accidents and improving worker safety. By automating dangerous and repetitive tasks, telerobotics is freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. Section 5. Being there without being there. Telerobots and Telepresence. Have you ever wished you could be in two places at once? Imagine attending a meeting in New York while simultaneously exploring a museum in Paris. This might sound like science fiction, but it's becoming a reality thanks to advancements in telerobotics and telepresence technology. Telerobotics is making this a reality, albeit in a virtual sense. By leveraging the power of the internet and sophisticated robotics, we can now project our presence to distant locations without physically being there. Telepresence robots are essentially mobile video conferencing systems that allow users to interact with remote environments in a more immersive way. These robots can move around, giving users a dynamic view of the surroundings, unlike traditional static video calls. These robots are equipped with cameras, microphones, and speakers, allowing users to see, hear, and speak with people in remote locations. This setup ensures that communication is as seamless and natural as possible, bridging the gap between physical and virtual interactions. Some telepresence robots even have screens that display the user's face, providing a more personal touch. This feature can be particularly useful in settings where facial expressions and visual cues are important, such as in classrooms or during medical consultations. Telepresence robots are being used in a variety of settings, from offices and schools to museums and hospitals. In museums, for instance, they allow remote visitors to explore exhibits and interact with guides, making art and history accessible to a wider audience. They allow for greater collaboration, reduce the need for travel, and provide opportunities for people with disabilities to participate more fully in society. For example, a student who is unable to attend school due to illness can still join classes and interact with peers through a telepresence robot. With telepresence, distance is no longer a barrier to communication and collaboration. Businesses can hold meetings with international partners without the need for costly and time-consuming travel. Families can stay connected across continents, and experts can provide remote assistance in real time. In hospitals, telepresence robots are revolutionizing patient care. Doctors can conduct remote consultations, monitor patients, and even participate in surgeries from afar. This not only improves access to healthcare, but also ensures that patients receive timely and specialized care. In educational settings, telepresence robots are enhancing learning experiences. Students can attend virtual field trips, participate in interactive lessons, and collaborate with peers from around the world, all from the comfort of their classrooms. The corporate world is also embracing telepresence technology. Companies are using these robots to facilitate remote work, conduct virtual tours of facilities, and enhance team collaboration. This not only boosts productivity, but also fosters a more inclusive and flexible work environment. Even in social settings, telepresence robots are making a mark. They allow people to attend events, celebrations, and gatherings remotely, ensuring that no one misses out on important moments, regardless of their physical location. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for telerobots and telepresence are endless. Researchers are constantly exploring new applications and improving existing systems, paving the way for a future where being there without being there is not just a possibility,